Okay, so now we have the systems. So management systems is basically a term from the Europe region, basically, right? There are particular standards which defines the management system requirements, how the audits are done, and what needs to be fulfilled to meet those requirements, right? In the similar way, each region has its own compliance needs, audit needs, which is defined as per the ISO standards, right? International standard organizations define the management system requirements, and they specifically set out or give in certain rules and regulations on the basic things what has to be complied to be certified on those management systems, or at the bare minimum what has to be needed for that practice to be successful, right? So these systems has to be defined and ensure that they are compliant enough to this management system, basically ISO guidelines, and ensure that there are certain internal audits and external audits to be done so that they ensure that it is not only a standard-based certification, but also complies to the best practices and the minimum requirements based on various regional clauses, as well as certain industry-based compliances such as SOX, right? So it helps you manage that. So when you define such a management system and ensure that those compliance are in place, this also acts as a standardization because you are in par with the in basically following the best practices, and it is audited, and it is ensured that it is at a certain level of maturity, right? Now this also goes as an input, right? When you see the SOX clauses, you will identify what is relevant for you, what is that you need to meet, what is that is a risk if you don't meet. All this risk factors comes into picture, which goes in as an input to the AI strategy. And AI strategy actually starts from next level where you prepare the strategy along with automating few stuff. So till now, we have not yet touched base on the AI strategy itself. Till now, we were only maturing the systems in a way where we are in par with the international organizations, right? As per India, there's a long way to go because our government doesn't have any documented systems. In fact, here what happens is the government personals use Gmail as their official mail ID without any information security risks. I don't know how it is validated. We see that across our electrical, say, basically the company employees, or maybe the entities related to the region-wise departments from the government still use their Gmail IDs. Uh, Okay, that's a different thing altogether. But so in that way, we have a long way to go. Uh, the reaching this point is something which will equip us to say that we are ready for automation, not even for AI, just for automation, we are ready. That's where we are at this part of the time, at this ensuring that the systems are in place. With that, I end this episode, and the next episode would be on what was that? Next episode would be on automating steps, right? With that, I end this podcast. Thank you. Let's meet in the next podcast. Bye.